Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Hub. Today we're going to study about TF-IDF, which is one of very popular data representation technique for text. So we'll start with the topic. The topic is TF-IDF, which means term frequency and inverse document frequency. Basically, the formula for TF-IDF for a particular of a particular term with respect to a document is given by TF, which is the term frequency of that term in that document, times inverse document frequency of that particular term. Where TF is a value which is specific to a single document D, while IDF is a value that depends on the entire corpus. So whenever we are using a bag of words representation, we first perform stemming and stopwatch removal. After this particular approach, TF-IDF can be used for text representation. As I previously said, TF is the term count within the document, and IDF is the document count across the corpus. We'll try to understand this with a particular example. Consider two documents where D1 consists of text I am lazy, I am going home, and another document which consists of word I am active, I am going home. Now if we consider these two documents to be our data set, then we can represent the combination of these two documents as a corpus D. We'll begin with a question. Suppose the question asks you, how relevant is the word home for the corpus? So to answer this particular question, what we do is we first find the term frequency of the word home on document 1, meaning there are some total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words in our document, and then the word home appears only one time. Similarly, we're going to compute term home in terms of D2, and again this is a combination of 7 words, and then the word home comes only one time. Now we'll compute the inverse document frequency for the term home across our entire corpus, and for this one we take a log of our total corpus size, which is 2, and then the instances of home come in both of these documents, which means this is also going to be 2, so this will result to 0. Now finally if I have to compute TF-IDF for term home in D1 with respect to D, then this is going to be 1 by 7 into 0, which is 0. And again TF-IDF home for D2 with respect to D, this is again going to be 1 by 7, this particular value, into 0 is equal to 0. Now since the TF-IDF value is so low, how we can answer this is using TF-IDF approach. We found that the term home is very much relevant for both D1 and D2, or document 1 and document 2. So this is what TF-IDF is, and this is how we compute TF-IDF. I hope the concept is clear to you. If you do have any questions, do comment down and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.